Here's how to add a Google Doc and a Google Sheet to a WordPress blog. So the first thing to do is go to the document and go to Share on the top right. Change that to anyone with the link. And make sure it's set to Viewer. And Done. And then go to File on the top left. Share, and publish to the web. Then go to Embed, entire document, publish, OK. Then highlight that and copy it. You can click Command C. Then go over to your blog post. Go to the plus sign, type in custom HTML, choose that, and Command V to paste. Then you can preview it. And by default, it's kind of small. And there's a trick to make it bigger. So go back to HTML. And next to that caret or greater than sign, type space, width equals, and then quotes 900, space height equals, quote 700, and that basically gives it new dimensions. And now when you preview it, it's a size so you can actually see the document. Then click Save Draft, Preview, and that's it. And that was how to add a Google Sheet to a WordPress blog. So to add a Google Doc, you do the exact same thing. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and for all the other videos in this series, check out the playlist linked in the description below. And I'll see you next week.